This way to spooky stuff. This way to spooky stuff.
It is HHN update number 3 time.
What the heck is that? What is that? What is that? Oh my God! The sign is here. We're getting theming.
The sign is up. It's getting closer. There's a lot going on over in Hollywood, so we're gonna start there. So
let's go.
Let's go. But first, here's a quick look at the entrance facade.
Jack.
We got
Oddfellow.
Yeah, as Barry mentioned, there's red and purple, kind of separating Jack and Oddfellow. We did see some concept artwork from that media press thing
from over in UK, Ireland.
Yeah, they did it overseas.
This is starting to look like that.
This is going to look really cool if they follow through with the concept artwork.
And
so
Jack and Oddfellow may be up there to greet you at the I'm assuming at the beginning of the night before they go off into different scare zones and roam around.
I'm very excited to see the final product of this whole entrance facade up here. We are here in Hollywood for Sideshow of Decay. I think this is the zone that's gotten the most details added to it.
Lady Luck!
There's these little, what's the game in the carnivals where you throw the baseball?
You're asking me to remember stuff.
And you knock down the beanbag?
Yeah, it's a throw. You're throwing.
Yeah.
Throwing balls.
But these, thank you, Bear. You're throwing balls at things and knocking them down.
A lot more detail since the last time we were here.
Look, we got little creepy crawlies.
Yeah, little creepy crawlies.
Little bugs. Got a big old cockroach.
I wonder what house that came from.
I know.
But no, lots of Easter eggs are starting to show up in this zone. So let's head over here. Speaking of Easter eggs,
yeah, there's a lot of people that have seen. I was shocked at how many people remember this bumper car from other. I think it was in Terrifier last year.
Yeah.
Outside the entrance facade. Yeah. And it's appeared in other various houses.
Yes.
What's a little?
All these signs.
Look at this little creepy little dog thing.
Yeah, he's been burned.
There's another one right here. Look at this thing. That's terrifying.
Look at the ticket. The Oddfellows Grand Circus ticket. So that's what we're getting here.
They've added so many details.
They've added so many details. The director.
Oh, what is in here? Are these old? Wow. Those are old. I see Jack. I have these still. These are from like HHN 5.
Wow.
The Jack coins from the Festival of the Dead. Those are from the Festival of the Dead parade.
Yeah.
Director,
locked in a cage like he should be.
Just all sorts of really fun details. Clown costumes.
Yeah, it looks like this is the clown break area. Do not feed Philip.
Don't feed Philip.
Don't feed Philip.
Be nice to Philip.
So much detail.
They have hot dogs and makeup and
cat.
A lovely looking cockroach burger.
Now we know the name. Sideshow Knockdown. So we got, that sort of looks like Freddy down there. We know that cat.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what. There was one that looked familiar.
It's a little art.
Little Art the Clownish, maybe.
Carnival of Carnage.
Carnival of Carnage.
The one of the victims in the show. I don't know. He looks sort of like it Brad?
Yeah.
That's just creepy.
Yeah, everybody's been making a big deal about him, how creepy he is with his little side eye. Face.
So much has been added to this since the last time. A nice big J.
Look, J. These are looking really great.
The detail on here is just amazing.
Yeah.
And, they did an amazing job
of aging it and everything. Like we said, I think in the last video, I really hope they get some black lights in here because a lot of this stuff is black light responsive. All of this stuff glowing will look so cool. I'm excited to see this at night.
That horse looks scared.
Did I pull it off?
Yes, he should be. More knockdown clowns. Cowbell.
Fog machine. Can you smell it yet?
I doubt they put the mixture in there yet.
Not yet. But it's coming very soon.
So another new little detail, and speaking of more details, the mermaid tail is missing.
What is it with the seagulls? What's the name of the one that it's telling us not to feed?
Philip. The mermaid is gone. Unless the mermaid is on a pneumatic.
Some kind of prop, and they're gonna fill this with water. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Oh, Viking helmet. From what was the Viking scare zone? Help me out here, Barry. We're horrible with this.
We've been going this so long, it's all a blur.
I know. Crawfish. Quick HHN merch update. Obviously, we got our last house announcement here in Orlando. Ozzy Osbourne is coming to the event.
Sorry.
Sharon!
They should have him scream Sharon
yeah.
somewhere in the house.
Got a Aussie journal, I guess this is?
Yeah.
Random, okay.
Random.
Here's the, let me get it off of here.
I don't think we realized that the carousel was going to have this many figures.
Universal's been sending me every single one.
You can't really see this well.
Yeah.
But,
you got the Fortnite
where am I supposed to put this in my house?
Yeah.
You know?
Trust me, I know. I have every single piece.
It's every IP.
And there's still 2 left. And then they still have some Fortnite shirts left. They have the Fortnite carousel over here, stickers.
I don't think they're going to run out of the carousel stuff.
Yeah.
So.
They still have pretty much all the merchandise left. Sinners. I pretty much see it all. So, yeah.
There we
Quick
go.
HHN merch update.
Nightmares doesn't really have anything new. I think it's time for us to go downtown.
We're going downtown?
To Clown Town.
Downtown to Clown Town?
Yes. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, Barry, our stop has finally arrived. We're
going downtown. Clown Town.
The full downtown Clown Town sign.
That was covered. We thought there was maybe a body on this thing, but no.
If you guys watched our last update, we thought, again, like we just said with the art or the scare thing over there, usually something covered in a plastic bag means it's scary. So if you look closely,
Jack and Chance colors, and I see some pink.
Yeah, that's not red for Jack. That's kind of a pinkish tone. So
there's a chance.
Yeah, as we pointed out in the last video, Aiello said he mentioned chances are. So we'll have to wait and see. But let's go explore downtown Clown Town some more. Just a quick update on the tribute store facade. Not much going on over here, but
here's a secret.
This guy is new. Very creepy giant clown head.
Super creepy giant clown head.
And apparently he has a secret. What the secret is, don't tell. He's not going to tell us, but this is really, really awesome.
Oh wow! It looks like a piece from an old carnival.
Yeah,
it's wild how well they've done the aging and everything.
So not much else going on. Just giant, creepy clown head. Okay, we lied. We do have something to show you about the tribute store facade.
Trigger.
There is a trigger right here, and there's a platform here now, which means there is most likely going to be a scare actor up here.
Which means the tribute store facade is actually going to be part of the scare zone, not just themed to the scare zone or its own separate thing. It is literally part of the scare zone. Going to be part of it,
yeah, because they usually sometimes try to loosely theme the tribute store into the scare zone years past, but with this, they're actually going to be integrating it into the tribute store into the scare zone, which is really cool.
We have tents.
Yeah, what's really
dressing tents? I don't know, tents.
Yeah, what's really interesting with these tents though is they don't go with the usual Oddfellow Jack color scheme. There's blue, and I mean this could be a Jack tent, but this one being blue kind of throws me off. So we'll have to wait and see what goes on.
And I thought for a moment it's like maybe Killer Clown's art, but art's black and white.
Yeah. So,
but we were wondering what else was going on this stage because it's a gigantic stage.
And these tents took up a big part of it. So, but still.
I still think Chance is going to be
doing her thing out here.
We'll
have to wait and
see.
If she
comes, if she graces us with her presence.
Chances are. Jack Circus Surplus.
Oddfellows Menagerie.
Oddfellows Menagerie over here. 2 more food booths over here in the alleyway across from Mummy. I'll be curious what food items are on these menus.
Well, the clowns harass you as you're trying to order your food. Interesting thing on the side here. I'm touching a plant. That's
BuzzCon.
Okay. BuzzCon.
That's cool.
What does that have to do with Jack? Limbs.
Got limbs.
Saw. If you look under here, sawed in half.
Sawed. Oh yeah, I see in half right there.
Dangerous animals. That's from the Oddfellow Scare Zone. Red noses.
Oh yeah, red noses right there.
Very cool.
Cute little details as always.
Love the detail, the theming on the food booths this year are like a whole new level.
They upped the detail on the food booths this year. They look really, really great. These kind of circus kind of carriage themes.
They even got hay hanging off the side.
Got creepy eyes right here.
Yes, they're supposed to be an animal.
I don't think there's anything over here. Yeah, no. These look really, really awesome. Go ahead.
And we have another stage.
Looks like this could be some sort of midway carnival game or something. I don't know.
It does. It looks like there might be victims back there, maybe.
Yeah, they have two little random cutouts here for something going on.
Something's going to happen on here.
I'm trying to figure out what exactly this could be. You got platforms here. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, another platform up here in. And
I'm amazed with the size of these set pieces too.
Yeah, I mean, look, let me get back.
I mean, there's still a parade coming through here right now.
Pretty big set pieces here in downtown Clowntown. Here we have a wagon, and I'm not sure exactly what's going to be going on here.
This wagon has wheels underneath of it, so much like the newsstand last year, we think this is going to be pulled out maybe into the middle of the street.
I'm guessing maybe this will open.
Possibly. It looks like it can. If you come around here.
Again, the detail of these are really, really great this year.
This is definitely a boo hole.
Yeah.
You can see the light.
Yeah.
You said this over here.
Somebody took a picture, and they did have posters up here. They have taken them down. You can see where the remnants are. I don't know why that happened.
Another boo hole.
Yeah, these are really, really awesome themes this year for our design.
Those are spokes for the wheels, but I wonder if fog might come out from the wheel. Who knows? That does look. That might be hollow. That is hollow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. All right, we have a 35 stage over here.
Another big stage.
A couple different. This looks like maybe it could be a saw. Buzzsaw, maybe?
Looks like it's saw. Something is going.
This doesn't look finished, so we'll have to wait and see what happens there.
Doesn't look finished. There's a door back there, and there is walkable area back there. So
I am so excited. This scare zone's looking really fantastic. With these.
It looks like they still got some work left to do on this thing.
Maybe some lighting, like some circus lighting. I see some holes up there for the white kind of incandescent lights.
Yeah, they still haven't painted the back.
Yeah. But these are looking really great this year, the set pieces in downtown Clowntown.
I think chances are this may be the biggest New York scare zone ever.
It's looking huge.
It is huge.
The downtown Clowntown sign all the way over by almost Minions area.
There's a stage back on the other side.
We showed you the stage over there by Transformers.
Who knows what they might do here with the alley.
Sometimes they do stuff here in the alleyway.
This is gigantic.
Yeah.
This is going to be amazing.
All right, we almost missed this on the 35th stage booth over here in downtown Clowntown. They have Dr. Oddfellow's Grand Carnival presents Chaos and Control, a tale of two icons.
So is this going to be a show moment in the zone here?
If we get like an actual puppet, like Beetle the, what's the Potter show with the puppets?
Tales of Beetle the Bard.
Beetle the Bard. I'm getting Beetle the Bard vibes with this.
I think we're going to, between art, Killer Clowns, and maybe Chance, and Jack probably roaming around, we're going to get some really interesting moments here. I think we might get some actual live mic performers in this zone.
This is really, I'm excited to see what comes out of this. We are under a month away, so we are getting food booths. And they're looking really awesome this year. I'm guessing, I don't know, who is this going to be? Oddfellow?
It looks like it's from a carnival.
Yeah.
The boat ride, like the haunted type thing.
We have a new Pardon Our Dust sign too.
Yeah.
This is a specific HHN 35 Pardon Our Dust sign, which is really cool.
Even though the first time I saw it, it sort of looks like him from Powerpuff Girls. But
I don't think we're getting a Powerpuff Girls.
I know.
House, Barry. I'm sorry to disappoint you.
Jojo.
Maybe next year.
So this is very carnival themed because right next to it we've got a bullseye, and so
this is a dunk tank.
Yes.
This is totally themed to a dunk tank. Got the bullseye here. Yeah, I don't know. The thing with our HHN guide is I never know what to call these food booths because some of them are dunk tank food booth and then scary devil food booth. So we'll have to wait and see what these are themed to. We got Meats food booth back here in.
Gosh, I wonder what they'll be serving here.
Meat?
Lots
of meat. And then across the way over here, we got Stranger Things back here in this is World Expo, right?
I guess it's still World. Yeah, this
World
is still
Expo,
World Expo.
London. When Potter opened, I got confused.
This is still World Expo because of Men in Black.
Men in Black is literally the only attraction in World Expo. So
we got the.
Here's a WSQK
the upside
radio
down
station.
vines growing over it, antennas.
Very Stranger Things looking. So I'm very curious to see what they'll be serving here at the WSQK Stranger Things.
I think they'll be Stranger and they'll be Things.
So, thank you for that, Barry. But yeah, these are back here in World Expo. We will be updating our HHN foodie guide, which you guys have been like visiting like crazy. I'm like, give us time. But we got the food booths, and then obviously when the menus show up, we will be updating the foodie guide with the menus. So ThrillGeek.com/HHN foodie, and we'll be adding all the food booths there. So check that out.
We're in Fort Nightmares. We're wrapping this up.
Yeah, not much going on over here in Central Park for the Fort Nightmares scare zone. So this is our update for Fort Nightmares.
It's a treat.
And this is goodbye. So we're wrapping this update up. This is update number 3. We're under a month away. And I have a feeling things are gonna.
I'm hyped, man.
Yeah.
And I don't say that every year, but I'm hyped.
The scare zones are looking good. We've got all 10 houses announced. We got some really good houses this year we're looking forward to. So make sure you guys are following us across all the things. Subscribe right here to the channel. Anything else, Barry?
ThrillGeek.com/HHN. Go to the Ultimate Thrill Guide for all of your Halloween horror nights.
And then, like I said, we have our foodie guide, ThrillGeek.com/HHN foodie. We will be updating that with more food booths, food items, menus.
From last year.
Maybe you'll watch us eat HHN food again this year in another new video. So anyways, guys, thank you so much, as always, for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
See you in the fog.
Bye.